Hello, let me show you unboxing and overview of all features that you can find on the Moto Buds Plus. And first of all, we've got marking by Bose, sound by Bose. On the left side, we can find information, some basic specification, powerful dual drivers, supports high-res audio, dynamic active noise cancellation, Dolby head tracking, and wireless charging. On the back, actually on the left side, we can find information that there is no charger inside, but we've got a recommended charger. Okay, right here we've got the QR code to quickly download application, but I believe that we will be able to find it on the Play Store and App Store. For sure, I'm gonna check this later. And right here we can find the user manual. That's how it looks. This is the glossy plastic, and this is the matte plastic with the structure. I'm not sure if you can see this on the camera. Yeah, you can see this right now. That's how it looks, marking by Bose. Right here we've got the small indicator. On the back we can find the USB-C port, and when we open this case, this indicator lights up. We got the Motorola logo right here, and that's how the earbuds looks. So before we start using them, we'll have to actually remove this foil because we'll be not able to charge them. So let's get rid of it. And the plastic of these earbuds looks actually the same like with this charging case. As you can see, we got some kind of the structure right here, and they looks like really close to the AirPods, almost the same. So now I'm gonna put them right here. By the way, we've got this pairing button, and I'm gonna charge them and we will find some features. Okay, so first of all, we can find the battery percentage of the both earbuds and the charging case. We can also find the noise control, but it's not working right now. I have to put both earbuds inside my ears. There we go. So we've got the noise cancellation mode. We've got the transparency mode, adaptive mode, the 3 different modes. We can also turn them off. Right here we can adjust sound. So there's the sound equalizer with 4 presets and with the manual setup. Right here we can also find the high resolution mode, the gaming mode. Probably it will be the LDAC codec. I'm gonna turn it on. Now they will probably reconnect. Yeah, there we go. Now we are connected back, so let's check in the settings if actually... No, it actually turns the AAC audio codec, it's not LDAC. But still, this is actually something that will improve the sound quality. We got the gestures, so we got the double tap, triple tap, long tap, and this is some kind of the issue right here in the application. But probably it's checking for some ear tips or something. And as you can see here, we can also change this gesture, so we can turn next song, previous song. We can volume up and down, and we can also turn off these gestures if you don't want to use them. By clicking on the switchers, on the right one, it actually looks the same. And in the More tab, we got the in-ear detection. We can update firmware. We can perform the fit test of the tips and find earbuds if you lost them. Right here we can even find the dual connection, and we can put the widget into the home screen. So we can adjust the noise cancellation modes. And right here we can change the name of this device, and by clicking here we can go for about, and we can probably check the model, but there is no serial number. Okay, so this is it. This is like all features that you can find on the Motorola Moto Buds Plus. Thanks for watching.